Hi everyone, and I'm Srisha Gupta, and you're most welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about some common errors that we face in Python, and I will give you a bit brief up about these errors so that whenever you face them, you can resolve them easily and you can save your time. I'll also give you some demonstration that what are the major reasons why you face these errors and how can you resolve them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first one which we are talking about is the most general one, that is a syntax error. That is when you type something wrong. Generally, if I'm writing a print statement uh, and by mistake I add a extra quotation mark. So when I save it and when I run it, okay, let's have a new console first of all. So over here we get a syntax error. Yeah. So now it's more clear enough. Yeah. So over here we get, let's increase the size of the screen as well. So I hope it will be properly visible now. So here we get a syntax error telling that unwanted string literal was present at the first line of code, and then we remove it and then we save it, so all our errors and all our problems are solved. Over here if I would have written anything wrong, then also I would have got the same error. So anything which is probably wrong or which doesn't make any sense to the computer and we have written that, we'll be getting a syntax error. So here it gives a syntax error and says it's a invalid syntax. Now let's talk about the second one, that is the name error. What happens is whenever we write the names of some variables over here, like if I have written name and I have or if I have written, I've created a variable num that equals 99, and then I create another variable uh, in which I write that we have to add it uh, triple eight double eight. So when I save it and when I would try to run it, I would be getting a name error, because the name error means that we have created a variable which is not present in our code, or we have not defined that variable earlier, because here I have used caps, and as we know that Python is case sensitive, so it considered our second num to be another variable, and it says that we have not defined it. So we can resolve it by changing its name, and now if we run it, our error gets resolved. So this is a name error, and it happens when there is a variable with a name that the computer does not recognize. Now let's talk about one more common error. In this video I'll be talking about the three most common errors. If you want the second part of it and if you want to know more about some common errors in Python, you can just comment down in the comment section below. So the last one is the zero division error. So this happens when we try to divide a number by zero, which is mathematically impossible. So this will be giving us, giving us a zero division error. So here if I'll be try to divide it by zero, and when I run it, over here I get a zero division error. This means that we can't divide it by zero. So Python considers this statement to be invalid because it's mathematically impossible to divide any number by zero. And if you don't believe it, you can also try it on your calculator. So I think that this video would be helpful and you might be somewhat familiar with these errors now. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section below. If you want a second part of this and if you want to know more about Python or any other topic related to programming, you can just suggest me in the comment section below and I'll help you out with it. That's all for the video today, and I hope that it would be helpful. Thanks for watching.